Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you don't like creepy crawlies in your house, this insect trap from Catchmaster is a simple but super effective solution. I live in the basement of a house in the country, and despite my best efforts to keep unwanted guests out, bugs always seem to find a way. My favorite part about these traps is that they're disposable. So once the trap has done its job, they can get tossed right out and I don't need to get my hands dirty, if you know what I mean. Ew. They're easy to assemble and they work really well. After only 2 days, this trap had caught some bugs. This inside part is super sticky and that's what attracts the insects. I like too how there's an adhesive part on the bottom so the trap stays in place. So let's say your cat or dog doesn't start playing with it and it goes missing. These are great value for how many traps you get. These traps worked so well and I have a little bit more peace of mind now knowing that I have a lot less bugs crawling around in my home. Catchmaster, these ones are the way to go. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.